Hello, YouTube and Twitch. I am Eli the Fatigued. We're playing some more Cataclysm Dark Days Ahead. I'm streaming this live over on twitch.tv at twitch.tv/Eli the Fatigued. When we last left our hero. Oh, sorry. Positions real quick. Been doing some troubleshooting on a number of things. Okay. Namely why I've been getting random throttling, so that's been fun. Alright. So, yeah, I got back to At's sound pack. Now that I figured out it's not his sound pack or her sound pack or their sound pack, whichever they identify as. Either way. Yeah, I found out it's a Windows Desktop Manager or Desktop Window Manager or something, whatever. It's a Windows issue basically. Took me a long time to figure it out. It was a few hours over the course of today. Aside from the time I've streamed and the time I spent with my fiance. But I think I finally fixed it. I disabled the transparency effects. I didn't care for that anyway. So that's been fun. That seems to have gotten rid of a lot of stutter in most of the stuff I've been doing, which is nice. It kept taking up like 30% GPU randomly. I was like, what the crap, man? Anyway, we're talking about Cataclysm. What are we doing? Where are we going? We are following a road to a hot spring. Huh. What's up here? Is it actually hot water? That's the question. Because if so, that would be new for me. Cataclysm. Oh wow, yeah. Nice. Ooh, hot. Hot water. But was it worth it? Yes. Science. That's cool. I think basically they probably reskinned lava and then turned the temperature of it down. Which I'm okay with. That's pretty cool. I like that. Oh. Sorry, turn the volume down on your end a bit. Oh my gosh, this is the road that never ends. It is the road that never ends, my friends. It just goes on and on and on. Ugh, sorry for the yawning. It's currently 11:30 at night here, but I felt like streaming some more Cataclysm. It's a fun game. It doesn't really require a lot of setup beyond the initial setup. And it's just really fun. Oh my goodness, though. Yikes. It'd be nice to see, okay, buildings. Buildings are good. However, I did see those zombies, oops, sorry, doggy. I did see those zombie markers. Uh-oh, this is a big town. Large office tower. Oh, it's snowing. Nice. I love the snow. It's been snowing here. Well, it snowed here. It's not snowing anymore, but it did snow for a while. Well, there goes that mirror. This is a bad idea. I don't know why I'm doing this. Oh, there goes the other mirror. Fruit. Bad ideas abound. That's... Oh crap, are they in my vehicle? Somehow got in through, like... No? Oh, it's that stupid vehicle up there that I was hearing it from. Okay, I thought they got in my vehicle. I was about to be very upset with them. What the crap? Oh, I'm so glad I didn't drive down that road. That would have been certain death. The light industry stuff again. Didn't I see an irradiation facility somewhere? Yeah. I'll have to go back for that eventually. I do have a worker card thingy. I guess we'll swing to the south. Head back to the west rather than go through the town. Another Cuban. Is it worth swapping to the van? Might just be worth swapping to this van, honestly. All the damage I've done to that other one. Oh, except it doesn't have an engine. Never mind. Let's take off these mirrors, at least. Unfortunately. Where are they at again? I think that still looks right. Yeah. Oh, whoops. I didn't actually take control of the vehicle. My bad. Thankfully, I was not punished for it. Bye-bye, zombie. We're looking for endpoints. Ooh, dinosaur exhibit. I think that has some grass, plant-eating zombies there. Yeah. Limousine. That's a limousine. That up there is a tow truck. Low chance of there being a book in there, but I'm gonna try it still. Plenty of ropes at this point. What do you got? Well, it has a mini fridge, so we'll definitely keep track of it. This garden. Is that another orc encampment? Yep. Grinning coyote. Ooh, guns. But grinning coyote. That's horrifying. We're gonna go, far to the south of that thing. Let those guys chase that crack. Except for the bio operator there. Ooh, red ID card. And I got too close. Whoa, why am I on? Hold on a second. Why am I on auto? Semi-auto. Probably hit Shift F at some point. Okay. Fun times. I've got so much ammo that it doesn't matter. Take that cash card. Alright, what do we got here? One army helmet, or just the one wallet, I mean. And not a whole lot else. That's fair enough. Grenade. Food. Weird that this game makes me hungry. I feel like that's... Or A1 plus 4. Whoa. Ooh. Alright, unload. Drop. Reload. Where? Nice. Thanks for the brand new. Ooh, thanks for the grenades. But thanks for the brand new M4 with tons of mods on it. Appreciate that. ATA military ID. Surprised that grinning coyote didn't come over here with all that noise, though. What do we got? Whoa, hello there. Very nice. There were two M249s there. Chun A4. Oh, got a ton of ammo for that. Holy crap. And a much, much better M4. Much, much better. Silos are worth it. What do we got? Mansion off to the west. Small town. Dinosaur exhibit. Public art. Electric substation. Check that out. I'm gonna check out the town, just hoping for books, I guess. Point. If I remember right, you can't get wheat from these. Alright, let's see. Oh, it's a rural house, actually. I should check that out. Well, it's a book. Not a good book, but it's a book. Literally nothing in here. Holy cow. Up here. No tool shed or anything. Okay. Fair enough. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, no. It's been that damaged throughout since I got it, basically. Game. Hang on, everyone. Something just happened there. That's so weird. Oh, it's stupid desktop Windows Manager again. What the heck? Alright. Try another fix. Should fix it. Or a temporary fix until I restart my computer. But it'll get me at least through this recording session. Sorry about that, everyone. Windows 10. Windows 10 kinda sucks. Not gonna lie. What happened to my hard drive? Windows 10. Alright, YouTube, I'm going to end the episode here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and or subscribe if you have enjoyed any dimension of this episode. I do apologize about the interruptions. Windows 10 is doing what it likes to do and failing miserably at everything. What it likes to do. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.